Hey there, in this video we will learn how to use map in swiftUI and using default pin and custom annotations for an iOS application. So let's jump starting. For this project, we don't need core data, hosting, CloudKit, and actually we don't write any tests for this project because it's a tutorial project. Press next and save the project somewhere in your Mac. To have a simple map, we only need to import MapKit and add map object to the view's body. As you can see, a big map object has been added to the simulator's screen. So let's run the project and see the result on the iPhone 15 Pro's simulator. The Apple map is working well, but it's not loaded yet, so let's stop the project and continue coding. Obviously, you want to use map to demonstrate a specific area in your iOS application, so I choose Paris for this purpose. So we just created the MK coordinate region and time to create the view. As you can see, there is a variety of ways to create a map object, but I prefer to create it with coordinate region. As you can see, the coordinate region is a binding parameter, so you should not forget to add $sign before the region's name. The map's loaded, but the span delta is so big, so let's try with something smaller. It looks 0.3 is the proper size for the city. So now we want to add a pin on the center of the Paris. We should have a model structure and a view model to have a pin on the map. it would be better if we change the location in pin placed model with latitude and longitude. So it's time to jump back to the view and define the view model and change the map. It looks we have an error, so let's check and fix it. Oh, this error says we must remove $sign before the locations. And it looks we have another error, so let's check it and fix it as well. It says pin place model must conform to the identifiable. We define the ID, but we forget to add the identifiable after the structure's name. So run the project and see the result. As you can see, a pinned icon is added exactly on the center of the Paris. We can also change this icon with a custom annotation view. So let's do it. To have a custom map annotation, we only need to change the MapPin with the map annotation object. I'd like to define a V stack with some objects on it as the map annotations content. I just added text, padding and background color to the contents view to show you we can add every views to the annotation item. So let's remove it because they are not proper. And you can see the custom annotation in the center of the city. At the end, if you enjoy it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.